Did you know 70% of new pool service leads disappear after just one unanswered call? That's thousands in lost revenue every season. Between balancing chemicals and scheduling routes, answering every call is impossible. Your truck is your office, not a call center. Stop playing phone tag. A dedicated system ensures every new lead and existing client inquiry is handled professionally every time. Imagine clients calling after hours needing an urgent repair. Instead of voicemail, they get immediate assistance and a booked appointment. Many calls are simple FAQs or sales pitches. An AI receptionist filters these, letting you focus on jobs that truly need your expertise. Your receptionist is your brand's first impression. A consistently friendly, knowledgeable voice builds trust and encourages repeat business. Ready to scale? An AI receptionist handles increased call volume seamlessly, allowing your business to grow without immediate overhead. This isn't just about answering calls, it's about seizing opportunities. Businesses using AI receptionists report 40% more booked jobs. Heyfield ensures every lead is captured, every client feels valued, and your focus remains on delivering top-tier pool service. Ready to transform your pool service business? Stop missing out and start growing smarter.